Okay, guys, we're gonna look at how to find uh, percents, parts, or wholes in these word problems using this equation right here. So we're using proportions to solve these different types of percent problems. And it's simply the part over the whole is equal to the percent over 100. So just like in your homework, if you had if you got 1 out of 4 correct on a test, that would actually be 25 out of 100 or 25% as your grade, right? So that would be the percent. And you can see how we've got these two, they're fractions, but remember, a proportion is just a fraction or a ratio. So we can use this equation to solve 3 different types of problems. So the first one would be finding the percent. So if I've got a question that says 84 is what percent of 96, what I'm looking for is what percent. So I'm looking for the percentage. So the way I set it up is if I'm thinking is over of is equal to percent over 100, remember that your percentage is always out of 100. So the is, in this case, would be 84. What percent, that's what we don't know. I can put the 100 in because it's always there. Of, and remember my of is what goes in the bottom, 96. So then we're going to cross multiply the cross products, right? So I would get 84 times 100 is equal to 96x. So I get 8400 is equal to 96x. Then I would divide both sides by 96. And x would equal 87.5. And that'd be 87.5% because we're looking for the percent. Let's look at another example. Finding the part, what is 15% of 84? So we've got the percentage, 15. So that's out of 100. What is 15%? So that's right. That looks like the word is right there. So I'm looking for the is because I've got the of 84. So that 84 is going to go in the denominator. Again, I'm going to use the cross products. So I've got 100x equals 84 times 15. If I use my calculator, I'll get 1260. Now remember, we're looking for the part. What is 15% of 84? So I've got to divide both sides by 100. X is going to equal 12.6. Now you can check your math by dividing 12.6 by 84, and you would find out that it is 15% or 0.15. Now for the last one, finding the whole. So remember back in our initial equation, we've got part divided by the whole. So you've got the is divided by the of. So we're trying to find the whole here. So 15 is 75%. So 15 is 75% of what number? So that is my whole. So now I'm going to cross multiply again. So I've got 75x equals 1500. Divide both sides by 75, and that number would be 20. Again, I can check by dividing 15 by 20. If I use my calculator, that gives me 0.75 or 75%. Okay, I know this is really fast, but again, you can read through these notes that you've got in G class. All right, let me know how I can help.